Big surprise and celebration for a Hoover child. Today, Magic Moments surprised 10-year-old Deer Valley student Carter with a week-long trip to Orlando with his family. They'll get to go to all the parks at Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, all the fun stuff. Carter was diagnosed with a potentially life-threatening neurological condition after a medical emergency when he was 3. His mom says the surprise is a chance for her son to just be a kid.
We're just so humbled and honored and blessed that he was nominated and chosen for this. Just to escape, to get away, not to have to worry for a week, for him to be a kid and have fun while we're down there.
Hoover's SGA has raised money for Carter's Magic Moment throughout the year. His sister and brother, they're also going to be able to go on the trip with them and just have lots of fun with the whole family.
Making good memories and just enjoying one another.
Pretty special. He seems so excited too. Look at his big smile.